Today in school, I was studying for my Italian quiz in the library when a really funny idea for a joke popped into my head. As I am saying the joke in my head, this sketchy looking guy who was sitting near me begins to laugh hysterically. I looked over at him and he looked at me and nodded. I still don't know how to feel about this. Teacher, what's so funny? Me, nothing. Please continue. My brain, Keanu Reeves. Everything is cancelled. Everything is cool when you have been quarantined. Everything is cancelled when you live in Tag Inc. Tired of people walking all over me. This is how I am fighting back. Parent, you have 10 apples. I take 4. How many do you have left? Me, 4. Parent, you have 10 apples. I take 4. How many do you have left? Me, a zebra. Just spotted a cat on someone's porch. Meow to be Latin. Without thinking, I walked up to the door, rang the bell, nodded to the cat, and left. It was only I rounded the corner I realized what I had done, as I heard the owner shouting, "Fuck me, Sarah, the cat just rang the doorbell." Only real ones know exactly what's going on. You already know what the fuck is going on. US, rest of the world in quarantine. Corona. When you didn't think you were gonna see a bridge, but then you see one. True story. Makes you watch the movie she wants. She falls asleep. Me waking up 30 seconds before my Zoom meetings every morning. My wired headphones have cable on floor. My chair's wheel. Delicious. Finally some good fucking food. When your size XX friends say, "Oh, you can just borrow some of my clothes." Bitch, I am a cow. So what should we name 2020? Me, a series of unfortunate events. Hate when older people say, "You are too young to be tired." A light Margaret, "You are too old to be alive." But here we are. Fuck holding hands for romantic purposes. Hold my hand while walking on an icy sidewalk. So if one of us slips, we both eat shit. When you want to sleep during class. Working in IT is like being married. When it's perfect, there is no thanks. When it goes wrong, boy, you are in shit. When you ask somebody for directions and they start using words like east and west. Steve, "Hey Peter, I got you a new phone for your birthday." Peter, "Woo, thanks Mr. Rogers." Tony, "This a phone. I am giving him a new car." Peter, "Oh my god, Mr. Stark, you?" Carol, "A car, Child's Play Stark. I got him an entire planet." Peter, "Mr. Keller, you really?" Loki, "I murder an entire race for him." Peter, Steve, Tony, Carol. Loki, "Just kidding, I got you a puppy." When you ask how a white person is doing and they say, "Living the dream," that's code for every morning I wake up wishing I was dead. "I sold my truck to pay for her surgery." You are the most beautiful person ever. Normal sick people stays in bed. People with coronavirus spread it across the whole canvas. Nice and even. When you are trying to have a positive attitude, but life keeps testing you. Went to the vet, didn't get neutered. Just cleaning your screen off from all those coronavirus memes. It will be a cold day in hell before I say he know where home is. Hey, I like your personality. Thanks, it's a disorder. My kindergarten teacher back in the day versus today's kindergarten teachers. What feels illegal but isn't? Walking out of a store without buying anything. My kids trying to explain to me how every curtain rod in the house is now laying broken in the backyard. Thoughts on the mentally stable community. I respect it, but it ain't me. A full stack developer at work. Every girl knows this problem. Tony gets on a dangerous alien spaceship. Peter gets on a dangerous alien spaceship. Tony. Buy a girl flowers. Oh, thanks, bye. Buy a girl some food. OMFG, yes, you the best in the world, bye. Take your clothes off, you mine after these MC nuggets. You lost your phone and it's on silent. Too bad. If you liked it, you should have put a ring on it. Me, I don't wanna be single anymore. Also me, no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give your mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time.